In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock an entire sheet or tab in Google Sheets. Maybe you have multiple people working within the same Google Sheet and you don't want them to change a certain tab or sheet you have within your workbook. It's real easy to lock an entire sheet down. All you have to do is select the sheet you want. We're on sheet 2. Right click, go to protect sheet, click on that, and this is the sheet we want to lock down. We can name it if we want. I'll name it sheet 2 lock. Set permissions, and now I'm gonna hit done because I want to be the only person that can edit this sheet. Hit done, and now the entire sheet is locked down. Only you can edit this particular sheet now. If I want to unlock the sheet, all I do, select that sheet, right click, go to protect sheet, and I want to cancel this because that's not the sheet I want. I want this one, and I want to go to this trash can icon, select that, and click remove. The entire sheet is now unlocked. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.